When I first heard about making money online, I pictured the dream. No boss, no alarm clock. Just me, my laptop, and total freedom. That's the fantasy every YouTube video seems to be selling, right? But here's the cold, hard truth. 99% of people who try to make money online never earn a single dollar. Why? It's not because they fail at making money. It's because they fail at being consistent long enough to see results. I learned that the hard way. I can still feel the desperation of the night I decided I was done being broke. I was sitting in my tiny room, scrolling on a phone with a cracked screen, binging videos with titles like, How to Make $100 a Day Online. One guru promised I could get rich just by watching ads. Another swore by affiliate links. So I did what anyone would do. I tried everything. I signed up for 10 different platforms, filled out endless forms, watched mind-numbing ads, and clicked on every link I could find. For 2 weeks, I barely slept. And after all that hustle, my grand total was 42 cents. Not even enough to buy a bottle of water. That's when it hit me. That's when I realized the secret nobody tells you. Making money online isn't about finding the perfect method. It's about becoming the right kind of person. Think about it. The internet is flooded with how-tos, how to start a YouTube channel, how to sell on Etsy, how to make money with ChatGPT. But almost no one talks about the part where you fail 10 times before you get one win. Or the part where you're drowning in self-doubt and you're this close to giving up. They don't tell you that online success demands the same discipline as a real-world business, maybe even more. Because out here in the digital wild, no one is watching you. There's no manager checking in, no one forcing you to wake up early or hit your deadlines. You either show up for yourself or you don't. It's that simple. When I finally started to see real money, it wasn't because of a secret platform or some lucky break. It happened the moment I stopped chasing shortcuts and started building skills. I made a choice. I picked one thing, writing, specifically copywriting. At the beginning, it felt completely hopeless. I had no clients, no portfolio, and honestly no clue where to even start, but I made a promise to myself. Every single day I wrote something, blog posts, emails, ad copy, you name it. Most of it was terrible, truly awful stuff. But with every failure, I learned a lesson. I got a little bit better. And then, one night, an email landed in my inbox that changed everything. The subject line was simple, Project Inquiry. The message said, Hey, we loved your sample. Can we pay you $150 for this project? That was it. My first real online income, $150. It felt like a million. And in that moment, I understood the real truth. The internet doesn't reward people who dabble in everything. It rewards people who achieve mastery in something. But here's another truth that stings. Making money online is painfully slow at the start. You'll scroll through social media and see everyone else posting their wins. The striped screenshots, the glowing testimonials, the I made $10,000 this month, victory laps. And you'll sit there wondering, why not me? What am I doing wrong? But what those posts do and show you are the 6 months of grinding in silence to build what now looks like an overnight success. They don't show you the rejection emails, the clients who never paid, or the crippling doubt that almost made them quit. That is the side of online income nobody posts about. The dark, quiet grind. The long nights you work with no applause, and the days when it feels like nothing you do is making a difference. But listen to me. Those are the days that build you. Those are the moments that separate the dreamers from the doers. There was a point where I was ready to throw in the towel. I tried freelancing, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, you name it. Nothing seemed to stick. I remember looking in the mirror and thinking, maybe this whole online thing just isn't for people like me. But that same night, a powerful realization washed over me. The internet is the great equalizer. It doesn't care where you're from. It doesn't care about your accent, your background, or your degree. The internet cares about one thing and one thing only, value. If you can solve a problem for someone, they will pay you. If you can write words that sell, design graphics that convert, or create videos that teach, the world will find you. Once I truly understood that, my entire approach shifted. Instead of chasing quick cash, I focused on building valuable digital skills. Instead of jumping on every new trend, I built sustainable systems. And most importantly, instead of comparing my chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20, I stayed in my own lane and focused on my own progress. And that's when the magic started to happen. Clients started coming back for more work. Referrals began to trickle in. And one day, I looked at my bank account and realized I was earning more online than I ever did at my soul-crushing 9-to-5 job. It didn't happen overnight, it happened over time. So here's the harsh truth, laid bare. Making money online absolutely works. But it doesn't work for people looking for a lottery ticket. It works for people who treat it like a serious business. It works for people who show up consistently, even when nobody is watching. It works for people who commit to building real skills, not just searching for get-rich-quick methods. You can make thousands of dollars online. You can completely change your life from your phone or your laptop. But you must first stop chasing shortcuts and start chasing mastery. Because the real freedom isn't found in earning money fast, it's found in earning it consistently on your own terms. And let me tell you something else nobody talks about. When you finally start making real money online, it won't feel like you imagined. It won't be some big cinematic "I'm rich" moment with confetti falling from the ceiling. It'll be quiet. It'll be the small, proud smile you give yourself when you're alone. When you realize, I did this. I built this with my own skills, with my own effort. That feeling is worth every sleepless night, every rejection, and every moment of doubt. Because when you reach that point, you're no longer just chasing money, you're building a future. And that's the ultimate truth nobody tells you. Making money online isn't a miracle. It's a skill, a system, and a mindset. So if you're still scrolling, still searching for the best side hustle, I'm asking you to stop. Just for a moment. Pick one thing, just one, and decide you're going to get ridiculously good at it. Stay consistent. Because the moment you do, the money will start to follow. And when it does, you'll realize it was never really about the money. It was about becoming the person capable of earning it. The harsh truth? You won't get rich overnight. But you can change your entire life in a year if you stop chasing everything and start building something. Thanks for watching. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more real talk about building a life you love. See you in the next one.